I'm James Neville Taylor with the Builderall team. In this video, we're going to go over scheduling. Scheduling allows you to schedule flows. Right now, there's 5 different types of schedules you can do. There's send on date, send with delay, event reminder, repeat every so many days, and sequence. They're all pretty self-explanatory from the name. But send on date means that you can send a flow on a specific date. Send with delay means you can send a flow so many days, hours, or minutes after you save the schedule. Event reminder allows you to set an event time and set a reminder so many minutes, hours, or days before or after the event. Repeat every so many days allows you to set a start date and then repeat a flow every so many minutes, hours, or days. And sequence allows you to set up a sequence of flows with a certain number of minute, hour, or day delays in between each flow. Scheduling's good if you have events that you want to remind people about, or if you have certain messages you want to send people at certain times. In this video, we went over the various scheduling rules.